Hello and welcome to another What's Inside. Today we're looking at Blood Bowl Nurgle Pitch. This is a double-sided game board with the Nurgle Pitch and Dugouts set. So these themed boards usually look pretty cool. So hopefully this one's no exception. And like I said, this is for the Nurgle. And here's kind of an idea of what you can get in there. Nothing particularly special, it's just a board, so we'll see what it looks like, and hopefully the quality is good. These are fairly expensive, so you do of course need the Blood Bowl core set to play. And let's see if I can get this open. Knocking stuff over. Okay. We got a big foam piece in here. So let's see if I can get this out without breaking anything. Wow, they really packed this stuff in here. Alright. So these are both, there's our stupid foam. These are both wrapped in plastic. This looks a little thin, so you'll want to be careful taking this plastic off. But it does look really cool for a dugout. Pretty gross looking. So let's open these up and we'll get a closer look at them. Pretty tightly packed, the plastic, so alright. So there's two boards in here. Here's the first one. On the back. Well, it looks like these are identical. So there's that. Yeah, the quality is, it's okay. They're reasonably thick. I would have actually liked a little bit thicker, but I don't see any difference between the two. Let me check the part number on here. Yeah, they got the same part number, 992209010005. Alright, that's bigger than I expected for the dugouts. It's going to take up a lot of room on a table. Let's get the stupid foam thing out of my way. And let's open this board up and see what it looks like. Okay. Looks like it's a fourfold. Oh no, it's bigger than that. Okay. 6 panels. This is very, very big. So, yeah, it's about the size of my table. That's actually hanging off a little bit off over here on the side. But you can see the way it's laid out. This folds up, obviously. It's really nice quality, actually. I'm pretty impressed with this one. Nice smooth texture. So it's like, it might get a little scuffed up if you're not careful. Let's look at the other side. Cool imagery. Really vibrant colors. Really looks swampy and gross. So there's like a hatch thing here. Is that a barrel? Looks like a hatch in the ground. Somebody's shoulder pad. Yeah, it's got a lot of cool little details, little skulls on things, little bits and pieces of things to notice. So yeah, it's a cool looking board. It's got the big Nurgle symbol in the center. Nice quality, good thickness. The seams look like they're pretty good. You'll want to check them if you're buying it used to make sure there's no tearing along here. But overall, it's a nice looking board. These are slightly weaker in my opinion. They could have been a little thicker, more like the main pitch itself. But not too bad. Better than I expected, honestly. So I would say it's a pretty good quality pitch. I think this is more of a novelty for the diehards. If you're a huge Blood Bowl fan and you really, really need to get this, I can see it, but for your average person, you're probably not going to need these extra pitches. They're more for the people that are investing a bunch of money in different teams and that are diehards for the cause. But it is pretty nice, and I'm sure it's cool to have your like home team advantage kind of thing, where you're playing on your team's home turf. So I get it. I don't know if it's going to be worth the money to most players, though. Your average person probably not going to need this. But that's just my take on it. But we've seen what's inside. This is the Blood Bowl Nurgle pitch. It's double-sided. It is pretty good quality. It's a little difficult getting the pieces out because the plastic kind of sticks to the inside here. But overall, not a bad little set. If you can find it at a reasonable price that you're willing to pay for this kind of vanity thing for your team, then yeah, but I don't see most people needing this. It's just a nice extra. So that's what's inside, and that's going to bring this episode to a close. As always, thank you so much for watching and supporting the channel. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe so you don't miss future reviews, and we hope to see you on the next one.